Okay, we just spent the last 2 nights in Namche Bazaar, and this morning we're heading out. Weather looks good. It's a little cloudy. You might not have the views today, but we're packing up the yaks here. It's our team of 5 yaks. So we'll take our luggage up to Dingboche and then on to Dingboche for the night. So we're going to be hiking above the Dingboche River, a bit up and down as we go, and then drop down, cross the river, climb Dingboche Hill, go to the monastery. Hopefully we'll get to the monastery for the afternoon blessings, and then make our way down the last little bit to the tea house for the night. But it was really nice. We had a great time. People love Namche Bazaar. It's a really neat place to spend a couple nights and you know, kind of acclimatize, but also there's lots of little shops and the bakery, and people can get some laundry done here. You know, just kind of relax and kind of take it all in. It's a special little village and a special place, and it was a great visit. And today we're gonna head on our way up the valley. Okay, we're here at the Dingboche Monastery, top of Dingboche, just a little over 12,000 feet. We came up from Namche Bazaar today, came all the way across the high trail above the Dingboche River. Then we dropped down across the suspension bridge right by the Dingboche River, and then we had lunch, and then we just climbed Dingboche Hill. So it's a beautiful day for climbing up. We had cool weather and cloudy skies. No real views today, but definitely made it nicer for the climb. And everybody's doing good. Everybody's doing great. And we just popped in and did a visit to the Dingboche Monastery where they were doing their afternoon call to prayer chants, and we had a little blessing with the kata scarfs, and now we're making our way down the hill, the backside of the monastery, where we'll go about 15 minutes and hit our tea house for the night tonight. So really good day. Not very good views. A little bit of broken sky when we first came up by the first stupa for Tenzin Norgay, but other than that, mostly cloudy. But it sure was great hiking temperatures, and everybody's in good spirits and having a good time. The rhododendrons on the way up the hill this time of year in the spring are great, beautiful, pink and turning white. And we came up through the rhododendron forest, and now we're dropping back into the rhododendron forest, coming off the backside of the monastery. So, great day on our trek to Mount Everest Base Camp. We're doing well, making our way up into the higher Khumbu, up into the Khumbu, and almost to our tea house for the night.